Can you remarry and keep your Social Security benefits? It's all over the board. If you are on SSI, no. You get married, you lose it. Boom, period. I know, I think it's kind of cruel. If you're on disability, Social Security disability, SSDI, sure, you can get married. It doesn't matter. You can marry a millionaire. He can have, or she can have a mansion. It doesn't matter. Disability is based on your inability to work. Now, can you get spousal benefits off your ex-spouse if you remarry? No. As soon as you remarry, you close the door on drawing off of a former spouse that's alive. How about if you have a former spouse or a current spouse that passes away? Can you remarry and keep those benefits? Those are called survivor benefits or widow benefits. Those can start as early as age 60 as long as you haven't remarried. So I have a lot of people, they're like, hey, I really want to get remarried. And I just got remarried at 56. They're like, I want to get remarried. But I want to keep those survivor benefits from my very wealthy deceased former spouse. You can do that. Just don't remarry before the age of 60, and you can keep your survivor benefits. So it's all over the board. Social Security is very confusing, and so is Medicare, which is what we specialize in at the MedicareFamily.com. If you want to know more answers about Social Security, you can call the Social Security Administration, or you can set up your own free account at ssa.gov, which I recommend everybody do. And if you need help with Medicare, call us at the MedicareFamily.com. We're licensed in all 50 states. Wherever you are, we'd love to help you with your Medicare. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.